Hey everybody, Charlie Montoya with Jupiter here at InfoComm 2026 Vegas. And we got the rAVe team here. So, talking about our newest product, the Jupiter 21x9 92-inch display, finally built for the conference room environment. This is what we've been wanting for the longest time. So you're gonna say, Charlie, why is this built for the conference room? Well, look, if you look down here, you got all the inputs and outputs in front where you need it in a conference room. On top of that, if you take a look at our side over here, all of our inputs are on the side, and not just are there inputs on the display on the side, but people who know us will also notice something else. Hey guys, look, we added handles for you for the integration piece. How cool is that? So not only do you get all the same great quality that you're used to with the Jupiter 21x9 displays, but you get it built and designed for the conference room. Other cool part about this? Full 20 points of touch technology built into it. So realistically, we've changed our kind of mindset and our model a little bit. We're going to start building more for the conference room. Our 92-inch is the first foray into that. So if you're taking a look at displays, you're taking a look at video conferencing room monitors, you can't go wrong with a Jupiter 21x9 display. Here to stay and happy to help you out. Y'all take care, have a great InfoComm, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks.